Hey Code Rookies, welcome back. So for today's tutorial, we will talk about how to do gradients. Um, let's skip right to it. So I go ahead and start it out with a div, and in my CSS, I just gave it a padding of 50 and a border black, just so we can see it. I'm going to fill this in with a gradient. The way that the easiest way I know how is this website right here, and I will put this link in my description, colorzilla.com/gradient editor. And basically, it's pretty simple. You point, you click whichever gradient you want. So I like bright colors. So let's go with how about this pinkish kind of thing. So what you'll do is this is the default. You can choose if you want the gradient to go horizontally, if you want it to go up and down, if you want it to go diagonal or diagonal like this, or in a circle. Let's keep the circle thing going. And then the size, I mean, you could change that if you want. I never actually messed with the size itself, but default it back to 370, whatever. These arrows right here kind of just change, and you can see right here, change if it's darker or lighter. To be honest, I haven't exactly figured all of this out. I'm not a designer, but it is kind of, in a way, it is self-explanatory. The more you play around with it, one way goes lighter, one way goes darker. Sometimes these little tabs just kind of disappear. I think if you just kind of drag it off, it disappears. Anyways, let's keep it like, ooh, that looks pretty cool. Let's just do this. So let's say you're happy with this. Here's your CSS. You highlight it, this little copy button shows up. Press copy, copy to clipboard. Go to your CSS, whatever element you want it to color in. I want it to color in my div. Paste. Boom. You don't really have to change anything here. I will just tab it over to make it look more profesh. Save that. Reload. And boom. You got your nice little gradients. It just adds a little bit more flair to your web page. Again, I'm not a designer, but apparently this is the cool thing to do. Yeah, and that's it. That's all for gradients. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. All right, bye.